Good morning, everyone. Now we are going to do a lesson on the revision of word problems with fractions. So let's take a look at our first example. My dad used 1/4 of a plank of wood of 48 centimeters. Okay, right, now let's look at the questions. A, what fraction was left? All right, so let's have a look. If my dad used 1/4 of the plank of wood, so we know we're going to be using quarters, right? So one full plank would have been 4/4, that's right. We simply have to minus off the 1/4 that was used, and what fraction is left is 3/4 was left. Okay, right. So let's move on to the next one. What length was cut off? So the wood was 48 centimeters when Dad started. He cut off 1/4, so what was left? 3/4 was left. So let's see now. If we work out what 1/4 is, 1/4 of 48 is 48 divided by 4. And we know that's 12 from our tables. Then we have to simply times it by 3, because 3/4 will then be 3 times 12. And that's right, 3 times 12 equals 36 centimeters. Well done. Let's move to example number 2. 1/6 of the visitors were men. Right, so 1/6. Remember, that's the same as 1/6 of the visitors were men. 1/2 were children. Remember, that's 1/2 were children, and the rest were women. The rest, let's just put here the rest. There were 66 visitors. Okay, right, number 1, how many men were there? Okay, so the men visitors were 1/6. Okay, so 1/6 of 66, we're going to divide 66 by 6. That's a very easy one. We know when we divide 66 by 6, we know from our tables that that is in fact 11. Right, so there were 11 men. Let's look at number B. How many children were there? There were 1/2 were children. Right, so 1/2 of 66, we're going to then divide by 2. And 1/2 of 66 we know is 33. So it's 33 children. All right, let's move to the number C here. And how many women were there? Okay, well, the rest were women. So if we've got 11 men and we've got 33 children, so that would be then 11 plus 33 are the children and the men. So together that is 44. 44. So simply we have to minus 44 from 66 to see how many women there are. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So that gives us 22 women. Okay, right. Now I hope that you're going to really enjoy doing your word problems of fractions today. Remember how we've done it in the video.